Have you ever wondered
what it's like to experience the most thrilling adventures
in one of the world's most luxurious cities?
Well, today, we're taking you on a journey through the heart-pounding,
adrenaline-pumping activities that make Dubai a true adventure paradise.
Number 1. Desert Safari.
A desert safari in Dubai is an exhilarating experience that typically begins with dune bashing in a 4x4 vehicle.
Expert drivers navigate through the sandy terrain, creating a roller coaster-like ride over steep dunes.
Afterward, enjoy activities like camel riding, sandboarding and quad biking for an adrenaline-packed adventure.
End the day at a Bedouin-style camp, where you can indulge in a barbecue dinner under the starlit desert sky,
accompanied by traditional Arabic music and belly dancing.
Number 2. Skydiving. For the ultimate adrenaline rush, skydiving in Dubai offers unparalleled views
of the city's iconic landmarks and stunning coastline.
Tandem skydiving allows beginners to experience the thrill of free-falling from an aircraft
while securely attached to an experienced instructor.
Feel the rush of wind as you descend and enjoy panoramic views
of Palm Jumeirah, the World Islands, or the desert below.
Number 3. Hot air balloon ride.
Experience the tranquility of a hot air balloon.
Ride over the desert at sunrise.
As the balloon gently ascends,
you'll witness the breathtaking beauty
of the desert landscape bathed in morning light.
Look out for wildlife like Arabian oryx
and gazelles roaming the dunes below.
This serene adventure offers a unique perspective
of Dubai's desert and the distant Hajar Mountains.
Number 4. Jet skiing and flyboarding. Dubai's warm waters and stunning beaches are perfect for exhilarating water sports. Jet skiing allows you to zoom across the Arabian Gulf's clear waters, feeling the thrill of speed and agility. Flyboarding takes adventure to new heights literally, as you strap into a device that propels you above the water's surface using water jet propulsion. It's an adrenaline-pumping experience that combines water sports with the sensation of flying. Number 5. Skiing and snowboarding. Ski Dubai, located in Mall of the Emirates, offers a surreal experience of skiing and snowboarding in the middle of the desert. The indoor ski resort features real snow slopes with varying difficulty levels, complete with chairlifts, snow parks, and even a penguin encounter zone. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, Ski Dubai provides a unique winter sports experience in a climate-controlled environment. Number 6. Scuba diving and snorkeling. Explore Dubai's vibrant underwater world through scuba diving or snorkeling in the Arabian Gulf. Dive sites near Dubai include coral reefs, artificial wrecks, and marine sanctuaries, teeming with colorful fish and marine life. Guided dives and snorkeling tours cater to all skill levels, from beginners seeking introductory dives to experienced divers looking to explore deeper waters. Number 7. Bungee jumping. Daredevils can take the plunge with bungee jumping at Dubai Gravity Zone, located near the Dubai Marina. Jump from a platform high above the cityscape and experience an exhilarating freefall with panoramic views of the marina and skyline. It's an adrenaline-charged activity that offers a unique perspective of Dubai's urban landscape. Number 8. Ziplining. Fly over Dubai Marina's iconic skyscrapers on the X-Line, one of the world's longest urban ziplines. Launch from a height and zoom at speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour over the marina's dazzling skyline and coastline. The zipline offers an unforgettable aerial adventure with stunning views of Dubai's modern architecture and bustling waterfront. These adventure activities in Dubai cater to thrill seekers and outdoor enthusiasts looking to experience the city from new heights literally and figuratively. Whether you prefer heart-pounding desert adventures, exhilarating water sports, or soaring aerial experiences, Dubai offers a diverse range of activities that promise excitement and unforgettable memory.